Hey guys, good morning. Today is Friday. I believe I literally just got done doing my makeup because today I will be catching up with my friend Clarice, so I have to go there at her house because I think we're going to this new place. We're trying new place. It's kind of like a bubble tea. Yes, we're addicted to bubble tea, so we're going there. It's all the way in Fairfax, I believe, Virginia. So we're going there. We're gonna run some errands, and also I have to go to BJ's after, or, you know, we'll go to BJ's after. But anyway, I just wanna congrats and thank you for the whatchamacallit, the people who joined my 300 pesos load giveaway. And as of today, I already mentioned it to my Instagram account, which is, I will put, you know, my name here in the description box below, so you guys can follow me if you want to follow me there, because I'm more active on Instagram in any of my social media. So you can follow me at Instagram. It's, what time is it? It's 10:06, so I have to just prepare some stuff and clean my makeup vanity, or not vanity, but my makeup room, so I can start driving in like around 11 something. So I'll be there at her house or like 12 something. So yeah, and then yes, let's go and I will talk to you guys later. And oh, by the way, you guys, I forgot to mention, I've been loving this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. This is a Dose of Color X Desi X Katie collection. This is the shade My Main and Aftermath. So both of these, this I'm wearing on my lips right now. I put My Main first, and then I put Aftermath like in the middle of my lips, just kind of have that ombre, or like, I don't know. But yeah, this is one is for my lips. And then the highlighter that I'm using right now, oh my god, hold on, let me show it to you guys. So I use this Amrezy by Anastasia. This is a collaboration with Rizzy. So oh my god, there's literally no fallouts with this highlighter. Like, look how wavy that looks. It's just, ooh girl, I really like this. I believe this is $28. I got this when I went to Sephora inside a JCPenney. So yeah, and then just, oh, I didn't use foundation as well. I literally just used the KKW concealer to conceal. I used the Makeup Revolution to contour, cream contour, and Too Faced the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer the rest of my face, and set it with, of course, the Laura Mercier. But anyway, I'm gonna clean you guys so I can start driving, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I'm here in my car. I'm just heating up my car. Anyway, thank God it's not raining and it's 60 degrees. Oh, because that would be messed up if we go, especially in Virginia, and that drive, because I really don't want her to drive that far. So yeah, it's not raining. So thank you, Lord, for cooperating, you know. So yeah, I'm really hungry. I didn't eat. I just drink some coffee because we're gonna eat out anyway. So I'm gonna go there and drive, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, we're here at VV Bubble Tea. Ano yung order natin? Saan yung sa akin? Ito ba? Ayan, yan sa'yo. Ay, sige na nga. I got chicken cutlet, and she got chicken, what is that, barbecue?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. Eat. Ano ba ito, be? Sausage?
Sausage siya nasa ilawan. Pero yung ano na sauce, masarap din mo.
Oo na. Sarap.
Ngayon ano po?
Cucumber ba yan?
Yeah, cucumber.
Hey guys! Just got done eating, and we really don't like the bubble tea. Is that the bubble tea?
Vivi.
Yeah, the Vivi bubble tea. So we're gonna go to Kung Fu Tea. So we are going to Kung Fu Tea. Yeah.
Yes.
Mag-picture tayo ba dun? Hanap tayo ng artistic na lugar.
Can you smell that?
I test pass.
Okay. Hindi namin nagustuhan yung ano nila doon. Chubatilla.
Kabisa.
Ito yung ano namin, trusted thing.
Kung fu tea.
Charot.
Behind the vlog of Clarice Morelia's vlog. Behind the Instagram story. We're here at Kung Fu Tea. It's much better than that one. Haters wanna fight me. Hey, hey. Wrong. We're going to. Is that Goodwill, right? Magti-thrift store kami, guys.
Hindi siya Goodwill na pangalan, pero ano siya?
Is this a Salvation Army?
Family trips.
Fresh pa ba?
Turn right on Peyton Randolph Drive and stay to the left to Wilston Drive.
God damn, it's an hour.
Yeah. One eternity later.
Hey guys, we're going thrift store! Magti-thrift store kami ngayon.
Ha?
Ilang oras yung drive natin? An hour, di ba?
Mga 1.5 na rin.
1.5 hours yung drive namin. Grabe yung traffic, guys. So we're here at Waldorf Thrift Store. It's a family thrift store.
Saan tayo dinaan eh?
Super traffic. There's couple of car accident. Mapapafacial ka?
Hindi, tatanong muna.
Asan dyan? Bulag ako, be. Doon, Waldorf Thrift Store.
Iihi muna tayo.
Iihi yung driver ko. Kawawa naman. Yeah, and they have Christmas tree. Wow. Ganda ng white, oh.
Yung ganito.
Oversized. Be, ano mong price nito? Where's the price? Is this the price?
Oh, yeah.
$4.98. $4? Really?
Yeah.
They also have bags. Oh my god, look at this. This is way too cute. That's a cute one. Yeah. This pink bag. That's cute. Meron talaga silang CVS na ano eh. Yung bags sa CVS. Here's my outfit. Yeah, I'm looking for a sweatpants. Just a plain gray sweatpants. It looks nice. Is that medium?
Large.
Large? Really?
Large.
Wait, isusukat mo nga dito.
Baka ano ka naman eh, nakapited ka naman eh.
Inday Joan! We are going to...
Dapat mag-stop siya.
Yes.
Ba't siya magte-trip?
Here at Marshall. Here. Ay, they have wrapper, Christmas wrapper. Wrapping paper.
Hindi ko talaga may mabibili kami. Ay?
Mac. For... I don't know how much. It's $24.99. This maker from MAC. Guys, they have Too Faced as well. This is the Too Faced brow. I don't know what the hell is that, but hold up. Oh, so it's the Too Faced Brown Envy. It's like an eyeshadow palette. Oh no, it's for brow. I'm sorry, it's for brow. Wow. And how much does that cost? $14.99. Wow. And they also have NYX. They have NYX for $8.99. They have Revolution Protection, Makeup Revolution. and for $4.99. Wow. It's like an eyeshadow. I have so many eyeshadow I don't even want to buy. This one is the blush from Proof Fusion. It's the Blush and Glow for $3.99. What is this? This is the Ellen Tracy Correct and Contour. Oh, you guys have Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Wow. They have the Too Faced chocolate. Wow. How much is that? $29? That's like $30. Nude Essence. Guys, look at this makeup. For this, it's discounted. So look, they have Lancome for $24. They also have the Anastasia blush that I already have, that I got from Ulta, and I didn't know that they're selling this at Marshall's for lower price for $10.99. That's crazy. I already have the Pink Passion, Peachy Love, and the Cocktail Party. Oh my god, and I paid $20-something for that. But I didn't know that they sell these blushes at Marshall's for $10.99, almost $11. Wow. They also have NYX. They have Too Faced. They have Anastasia, and they also have Smashbox. Oh shoot. They have some lipstick from Anastasia as well. And they have got Von D single shadow. Right there is their Kat Von D eyes. This is for $27. Right there. Wow. Guys, they have some liquid lipstick and just a regular lipstick from Buxom for $5.99. That's crazy. I like that shade, pink. I don't know, I can't even pronounce that. It has some Too Faced melted lady. Hoy, di ka nga dito. Wala, na-overwhelm lang ako. Urban Decay. Vice yung ano.
Kala ko Vice kasi.
Hindi. Uy, wala silang international shipping. They have some lashes as well. Looking for pants. She's going on vacation next month, right? Yeah, she's going on vacation next month.
Yes,
to Orlando, Florida, for her birthday. She's gonna be 22. Let's look at her weakness, candles.
No.
That's her weakness.
Dapat para sa akin mga ganito.
Para hindi na madali maubos.
$15 lang. Pero
15?
naman
Mabango ba?
Wala.
Walang amoy.
Gusto ko yung mga ganito, pang CR.
Light lang, oo.
$12.
Vanilla bean.
Marami pa akong candle. Oh, sa Idling, bili ka ng bili. Sabay sa... Ito parang pabango ng lalaki.
Bah! So guys, we're off to BJ's. Mag-grocery shopping ka?
I think, tignan ko muna sa ano.
Yung list mo?
I mean yung... cute one.
Okay. Yeah, so we're going to BJ's. Actually, I'm gonna get a few stuff from them. Huh?
Marami bibili niyo?
Not really. I'm probably gonna get Listerine because I forgot to get some Listerine.
Ba't kami nakuha ko, I mean, pag pinakita ko,
Coupon?
na ano, toothpaste.
Okay.
A few inches later.
Guys, we're going to BJ's right there. Wholesale Club. Just pick up a few things. We're here at BJ's. You got mattress. My mattress. The actual mattress.
Ay, shucks ka.
Looking for mouthwash. Oh, it's right here. Nice. So I'll get this one. Saan yung ano nila be? Q-tips.
Ay, dito.
Waiting game is on, guys. We're at the pub place.
Oh my God, may kumagat pa sa akin dito.
Hindi pa naayos yung ano. Puro tayo complain.
Alam nyo ba, nagre-reklamo kami kasi ang tagal ng pagkain. Tapos, nakagat pa ako ng lamok dito.
Uy, ate. Kasi ano yan sa dito. Yung spray na spray niya. Guys, this is our food. We got 2 Fud and Light, spring roll, and some toppings. Hey guys, I just got home. I'm showing you my new cover for my MacBook Pro. I just got it from Amazon. I mean, from the mail. So this is the cover. Looks like that right there. It looks like this. It's marble, white marble. Let me show you. Hold on. Sorry. And this is the rest of. Don't worry, I'll link it down below. But like that, this is the back cover, and that's the front case. It's a hard case. So, and this is for the whatchamacallit keypad. And then I also got this like marble stickers, like cover, yeah. And get something for gift. And also, oh my god, this is so important. I got this like for my MacBook Pro, like the webcam camera covers, and it comes with 3 piece, so that's really good. You guys, this is the one we got, well, I got from Thrift store earlier. So I got this, I don't know what you call this. It's kind of like, I don't know what they call it, but look like this. And I believe it's like $2 and something. And it's really good quality. And also got this black, I don't really know, I forgot what they called. Comment down below, I forgot. But it's like that. It's like black. And then, oh, this was my shirt. Also this one for my husband. It's like it's kind of like raincoat-ish. I don't know. I suck at explaining things. But it's from brand Columbia, and I believe I got this from $7. Yeah, it's really good, and it fits him. He likes it. And then last one is this nice black, whatchamacallit this, coat, like that, black. It's really dirty, but I have to wash them. I just want to show it to you guys before I wash them. But it looks like that, and I believe this is $9, almost like $10. It's really good, and that's the brand right there. But I'm gonna wash this, and yeah. Okay guys, that is it for today's vlog. I really hope you enjoy our I don't know, if me and her, oh my god, we just literally keep splurging money from clothes. Well, you know what, thank god we didn't went to Ulta or Sephora, because that will be a bad idea, like a bad decision. We've been trying not to buy makeups because both of us still have a bunch of makeup. But yeah, every time me and her hang out, it was just, I don't know, our bank account is just crying because we literally just, I don't know, it's just buy stuff. So yeah, and it's gonna be her birthday soon, you guys, so wish her happy birthday. But it's gonna be in January. So yeah, she's gonna leave me. She's going to Orlando, Florida with her husband. They're gonna celebrate the one earlier. It's kind of like her pre-birthday celebration, since I think I'm not gonna see her probably until next year, since I'm caught up with work for the next 2 weeks. And I don't know, I'm gonna try to take a day off after the weekend. I mean after the holidays. I'm gonna try to see her before and give her the gift, because I have gift for her. I have a Christmas gift for her and a birthday gift for her prepared. I just have to wrap the birthday gift because I already wrapped the Christmas gift for her. But yeah, the pants that I got from Marshall's is in the other room, but I'll just show it to you guys because I'm gonna do like I'll just do a different haul. And also that candle that oh my god, it smells so freaking good. And the one that I got from BJ is just like Q-tips and mouthwash, which is the like the Listerine. So yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today, and I really like to say, like, it's been a long day. We both are tired, and she's really tired because she's the one who's driving. We use her car, she's the one who's driving, and I really don't want her to drive like that, especially if we go to Virginia, because it's really way too far. But we always do this, like trying new places. But soon she's gonna come here by our place to try again new things. But yeah, hopefully you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.